Abot langit ang saya ni Kit Thompson matapos siyang tanghaling Best Actor sa isang film festival sa Amerika. Buhos naman ang papuri ni Hollywood actor Christian Kane at PhilAm showrunner na si Dean Devlin sa Pinoy cast and crew ng action series na Almost Paradise. Nagpapatrol, MJ Felipe.
Dream come true para sa Filipino-American writer, actor at producer na si Dean Devlin na mabuo ang action series na Almost Paradise. Proyekto ito ng produksyon ni Devlin katuwang ang ABS-CBN, tampok ang mga dekalibreng Pinoy talents at kinunan sa Cebu.
It's the first time I've ever gotten to explore my heritage. We wanted to show that the Philippines is this remarkable, magical place.
Si Devlin ang sumulat at nag-produce ng kauna-unahang American version ng Godzilla movie noong 1998. Siya rin ang co-writer ng sci-fi action movie na Independence Day. Bukod sa ganda ng Pilipinas, nais ni Devlin na ihanay sa Hollywood ang nag-uumapaw na talento ng mga Pinoy sa harap at likod ng kamera.
It's really taken a giant leap forward in your cameraman, your editorial, your production designers, your costume, your everything. Our hope with our show is to not only make a show that people enjoy and to show the Philippines in a light that I think is necessary, but also to expose this incredible talent.
Pati ang Hollywood actor na si Christian Kane believes sa pinakitang husay ng co-stars na sina Art Acuña, Noni Buencamino at iba pa.
We became a family so quick, and I'm not talking about just the actors, I'm talking about every single person on that set. This is one of the best crews, if not the best crews we've ever worked with. Marami salamat kapamilya.